Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the card Cruel King in Block Tales. To start your journey, you'll need to find the Guru. He's a very important character for this specific task. You can reach his location by traveling left from Biceville all the way to the airport. Remember, the airport area unlocks once you've successfully completed Chapter 2 of your adventure. Once there, continue heading left to find his house. After locating the Guru, engage him in conversation. He will eventually ask you to sit down with him. Make sure to accept this invitation. When presented with choices, select the option labeled Code. This specific selection will transport you directly into the Cruel King's personal domain, where the real challenge begins. Be sure you are well prepared for a tough fight ahead. To earn the coveted Cruel King card, you must prove your strength by defeating him not once, but 5 separate times. Each time you overcome him in battle, you're one step closer to gaining his admiration. After your 5th successful defeat of the Cruel King, a unique dialogue sequence will trigger, signifying that you have met the requirements and are ready for the next step. Once you achieve your 6th victory against the Cruel King, he will acknowledge your power and bestow upon you his very own ally card. This powerful call, Cruel King card, can be used in battle, costing 10 SB and 4 BP. When summoned, the Cruel King will assist you with his signature Scepter Smack and Scepter Strike attacks, making him a formidable ally in your adventures.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.